Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by focusing on loot rate and speed. Equip your best armor and artifacts that boost drops, then select the active special event mission from the seasonal menu. Once done, choose a comfortable difficulty so you can clear quickly and repeatedly. Lower is faster and still rewards event items. Make sure to invite teammates or enable matchmaking to increase run efficiency. You'll learn patterns and spawn points faster with repetition, so start chaining runs immediately to bank more chances at the. Once you have momentum, refine your farming loop. You want builds that clear in 2 to 5 minutes because more runs equal more RNG opportunities. Make sure to check every secret room and complete optional objectives. These often bump drop rolls. Rotate weapons and artifacts between runs to access alternate loot tables and increase variety. If playing co-op, coordinate who opens chests and who claims artifacts so you don't waste chances. Keep a steady run cadence. Slow, methodical resets kill efficiency. You're ready to secure the item. Immediately check your camp shop, event reward screen, and any token exchange merchants to claim earned items. Once claimed, transfer valuables to your chest and lock preferred builds. If the drop never appears, don't panic. Reset your approach by changing difficulty, swapping teammates, or re-rolling mission choices to alter the RNG pool. One key troubleshooting tip: if progression bugs occur, fully restart the game and rejoin a different session to refresh event state and sync rewards properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.